Yesterday, I slept in a stranger's restaurant. Today, a local lady shared her childhood snack with me. And at lunch, I was invited to a wedding by people who didn't even know me. Let me show you how it all unfolded.
Big ada? Big. Masak ada?
I'll definitely come back to Cherating and come here to eat and visit Miss Watrida. If you guys are in Cherating, try their food. I'm back here for breakfast. I ordered chocolate caramel tart with hot lemonade. Next stop, Kampong Dungun, 85 kilometers away. This is your typical eatery by the roadside. And this is your more modernized, for tourism kind of restaurant. I believe it's mainly due to the tourism here, because the beaches here are really nice. They even have a Club Med here as well. It's called Club Med Cherating. I'm just leaving Cherating and I'm on the main road right now. What is this?
Pulut panggang.
Pulut panggang. Okay, I have one. Satu.
You want? You want to eat here?
Yes, please. Okay. Oh, I can just take. Okay. Thank you. How much is this?
1 ringgit.
One. Okay. Thanks. So I just ordered one pulut panggang. I think there's meat inside. Gonna try. It's pork floss. Rice and pork floss. Oh, very nice. They use this fire to cook. Bye bye. Definitely not easy for the lady to be setting up business right in front, right beside a very busy road where cars are just passing by one after another, and she still has to take care of her 3 children. But then again, it was definitely a lovely sight to see. No, what's this?
Fish. Satay fish.
Satay fish?
The ingredient made from fish.
Okay. Oh, it's so small.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Small, yes. But it's really, the taste is really nice.
So I definitely have to try.
Yeah.
Oh, do they put it in a sauce?
Spicy and sweet.
Oh.
Yang mana cik? Tu yang pedas tu? Ya. Pedas. This one is spicy and this one is sweet. If you both mix both, nice.
Okay. I will try to mix both.
You should.
So it's like 5 stick for 2 ringgit?
Yes.
Okay.
5 stick for 2 ringgit. This one is childhood punya childhood.
Childhood snack.
Yes.
Do they sell this in a lot of places?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
Just certain.
Okay, I must try.
Yes. So, where you sleep?
Where I sleep?
Yes.
At the beach.
Serious?
Sometimes.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
I do the camping.
camps, yeah.
Mm. Yeah,
There's a lot.
It's a lot. It's a lot. Really.
And I think it's so heavy. Heavy.
It is about 55.
55. The whole team. Oh my god.
Yeah. Do you live around here?
I live in Kemasik, near to beach Kemasik.
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 Is it up north?
Yes.
I'm going to Dungun,
Dungun.
the beach.
Oh, beach Dungun. Alright. Okay.
Is it okay there?
Is that okay? Yes, okay.
Okay.
But do not swim, okay?
Okay, nah, I
There's
don't.
no danger.
Okay, not swim. I'm not swimming.
Danger.
Is it the waves very strong?
Yes, the wave very strong.
Okay. I will just go there and sleep, then I will
Okay,
continue.
take a nap.
Yeah, take a nap.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can go to surau or masjid.
Is it up north?
Masjid Masing Girls. Mosque, yes, mosque.
Ah, sorry.
Where?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You want 5 ringgit?
Oh no, 2 ringgit.
Or 2 ringgit?
2 ringgit.
2 ringgit 5. You want taste?
Never mind, I'll just
Okay.
order. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, you want to search Instagram?
Okay, yeah.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri to
Justin.
Justin. Okay.
Thank you. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri to Aisyah.
Alright, yeah.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye. Friendly lady called Aisha, and she introduced me to her childhood snack, which is this satay ikan, which is satay fish satay, and she recommended me to definitely try. Here we go. Wow. I haven't eaten lunch, so this can be my lunch already. This is like your soft fish crackers that you get from the Pasar Malam. Aisha, if you are watching this, thank you for the recommendation and I hope you are doing well. There are quite a number of cars that stop here. Not sure why, so let's go take a look. Oh, they are selling lemang. Guys, more lemangs. It's so smoky, it's getting into my eyes. I find it easy to believe that lemang is actually very popular among the locals here. But because I'm just a single traveler, I think one whole tube of lemang is really just too much for me. And I've already tried it, so I'm not gonna get another one. Hi guys, I got invited to a wedding and they told me to come and eat some food. Oh my gosh! I really wanted to go and greet the bride and groom first, but then they told me to eat first, so here I am eating. Selamat pengantin baru. Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you. Oh my goodness, guys. So I was just passing by just now and I heard loud music. So I went to take a look. Then I believe who seemed to be one of the couple's father came over to me and invited me to come and eat. And he kept repeatedly said makan, makan, which is like eat in Malay. So I was like, okay, I don't mind. I haven't had lunch yet also. and it was quite a joyous occasion, so I didn't want to spoil the mood as well. So I went there wanting to greet the couple first, but they said eat first. And not only, not just one of them, but a group of them like came over to me and like, hey, go and eat, you know. And then like they passed me a plate. Wow. I can't believe this. They are just so friendly. They just invited a stranger, a total stranger, to eat at their wedding. So nice people. At least 4 cars here. Let's see what's up. I'd like to order one matcha cream. Medium. Thank you. How much? 6. Okay. Matcha cream with a generous whipped cream. Wow, so shiok. I am at Kerteh, Kerteh. Still on the way to Dungun, the beach that I'm supposed to camp tonight. Thank you, it's very nice. I am 52 kilometers into the journey. Today has been a perfect day. Great weather, not so much trucks on the road. I believe it's because it's a weekend. It's Saturday today. So yeah, I am very, very happy. Found this snail on the ground. Hi little guy. Let me put you in the shade. Okay, let's go. Alright, looking comfortable. For the longest time, I've been wondering what km per J means. So after asking Google, J in km per J stands for jam, J-A-M. It's the Malay word for hour. So km per J basically means kilometers per hour.
Dia ada besar lagi, 9 ekor dia bunyi. Dia kecil yang punya tebing, apa tebing. Lapar tu kan RM63 sekor.
Oh, this is big. There is a lot of crabs.
Dia dapat.
We call this mud crab.
Oh, mud crab.
Yes,
Okay,
we call
okay.
this mud crab.
Did he catch them?
Yeah, he catch them personally.
Ni girl ni boy.
Oh, girl. Where?
Ni girl.
Girl. Ooh.
Ni boy.
So apparently these are like 1 kilo average.
Below.
And then he says that they can grow up to 4 kilo. Boss, 4 kilo how big?
Oh, yeah.
How big?
Oh, saya tak pernah boleh. Cuma dia boleh membesar sampai 4 kilo lah. Saya pernah 2 kilo je. 2 kilo dia. So ni. So ni.
4 kilo?
2 kg,
2 kg.
2 kg?
like this one.
Yeah.
Imagine it 4 kilo.
Oh my goodness. Cannot be lah, 4 kilo too big. So the crabs here are like 75 for 1 kilo.
Oh, boleh. Boleh ya. Boleh ya.
Uh-oh. Nah, boss! Bye-bye. Take care, take care. Terima kasih. That was nice. The crabs were like escape artists. And they have a lot of crabs. Their box was full of crabs. I feel like eating one. Come on, you can do it. Oh, don't leave him. Don't fall to the traffic. Nice stuff. 14 click to go. Woo! Let's go, let's go. Hi guys, after 85 kilometers, it's 7:30 PM right now and I'm in Dungun. And first place dinner. Guys, I just arrived and my food is not here yet, but my drink is almost half done. I'm just too thirsty. Wow, this is just so good, iced. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, finally dinner has arrived. I am starving. So we have nasi goreng pattaya, which is fried rice with an egg on top. Then I also ordered banana prata. Over here they call it prata pisang. Alright, and I ordered 2 cups of bandung, of which one you guys already saw that I drank. The sky is dark, so I will just head to the beach to find a campsite. Found this lovely spot by the beach. It's too dark for you to see, but this spot is quite big and I'll just camp right there in the middle for tonight. It's pretty good shelter.
Today has been a very eventful day. Many things happened. Like I first got to witness, a mother and 3 of her kids by the roadside selling snacks, and I got to meet this lovely lady called Aisha. She shared with me her childhood snack, which was actually not bad, and I would definitely eat it again if I see it on the road. And I got invited to a wedding. That was shocking. And I found this lovely spot to camp tonight. So overall, I'm very happy, and I hope that tomorrow will be even better. Okay, good night guys.